Welcome to Tubify, your ultimate destination for tech insights and reviews. Today, we're uncovering the exciting details of the Amazfit Active 2, a smartwatch rumored to redefine fitness and functionality. What groundbreaking features could make this a game changer in 2025? Stick around till the end. You won't want to miss this. Sleeker and more stylish design. The Amazfit Active 2 is rumored to come with a refined, sleeker design that appeals to both fitness enthusiasts and casual users. Expect thinner bezels, a lightweight frame, and a more ergonomic fit for all-day comfort. With multiple color options and premium materials like aluminum or stainless steel, the Active 2 could elevate its style quotient while maintaining durability. Enhanced display technology. A major upgrade anticipated is the inclusion of an AMOLED touchscreen display with higher resolution and improved brightness. This will ensure vibrant visuals and sharp details, making it easier to view notifications, metrics, and workout stats even in bright sunlight. An always-on display mode with power-efficient settings is also expected, adding convenience without draining the battery. Advanced health and fitness tracking. Amazfit is likely to enhance its health and fitness tracking suite in the Active 2. Improved sensors could enable more accurate heart rate monitoring, SpO2 tracking, and stress management features. Additionally, it might include personalized fitness plans, body composition analysis, and expanded sports modes for activities like HIIT, yoga, and swimming. Longer battery life with faster charging. Battery life has always been a strong point for Amazfit smartwatches, and the Active 2 is expected to push boundaries further. Rumors suggest a battery life of up to 15 days on a single charge in normal usage, and up to 30 days in basic mode. Fast charging capabilities could also make a debut, ensuring you spend less time plugged in and more time on the go. Smarter features with enhanced connectivity. The Active 2 is expected to include smarter features like Amazon Alexa integration, expanded notification support, and music storage and control. Improved Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity could enable faster syncing with smartphones, while NFC capabilities for contactless payments could make it a more versatile, everyday companion. Improved GPS and navigation. For outdoor enthusiasts, the Active 2 is likely to feature a dual-band GPS system for better accuracy and faster positioning. With added navigation tools like route tracking and real-time breadcrumb trails, it could be a great asset for runners, hikers, and cyclists. The inclusion of a barometer and altimeter would further enhance its outdoor utility. Rugged durability for active lifestyles. The Amazfit Active 2 is expected to be designed with an active lifestyle in mind, boasting a 5 ATM water resistance rating for swimming and rain. Military-grade certifications for shock, temperature, and humidity resistance are also rumored, ensuring the watch performs well in extreme conditions. A focus on sustainability. Amazfit might take a step towards eco-consciousness with the Active 2 by incorporating recyclable materials and sustainable packaging. Additionally, an optional solar charging variant could cater to environmentally conscious users while extending the battery life during outdoor adventures. Thanks for watching this deep dive into the Amazfit Active 2. If you found this video helpful and exciting, don't forget to hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe to Tubify and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews, leaks, and updates. See you in the next video.